Hey everyone! I'm here today to share something super exciting that has completely transformed my skincare routine. It's the Bestqool LED Mask Photon LED Light Therapy. Yes, a game changer for anyone who loves to pamper their skin right at home. First things first, did you know that light is as crucial for our skin cells as food is for us? That's right. The Bestqool LED mask uses light therapy to rejuvenate and repair your skin. We're talking reducing redness, slowing down aging, and diminishing spots. It's like a spa day every day, right in your own home. Now let's dive into the colors. This isn't just any mask. It emits 7 different wavelengths of light, each targeting different layers of your skin. Whether it's boosting collagen, soothing irritated skin, or reducing swelling, this mask has got you covered. Mix and match the lights as you like and witness the magic unfold. And guess what? It's incredibly user-friendly. A touch-sensitive panel, 0 false touches, and you're set to go after just a 5-minute setup. It's like having a professional beautician at your fingertips. Plus, it's foldable. Think about the convenience when traveling. Now, for the tech enthusiasts out there, this mask is robust. We're talking a solid plastic casing, 200 LED bulbs each with its own cooling function, minimal power consumption, and it folds up, saving you loads of space. And if you're thinking of a perfect gift, look no further. Imagine gifting not just a product, but the experience of glowing, healthy skin. Plus, you get a no-stress 2-year warranty and friendly customer service to boot. If you've never tried LED light therapy for your skin, now's the chance. Remember, if you never try, you'll never know. Transform your skin with the Bestqool LED mask and let your light shine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time.